Alright, bro, I'm gonna head out.
I'm recording.
Oh no, he's down here. He's down here.
Yo.
They went to the mines. They had the mines.
Yeah.
The headlines, I bet. They mess
Yo,
with
I
the
got
snap.
grip, bro. I'm about to wipe my character. I'm about to wipe my ultra bard. Easy.
No.
Oh,
Oh,
wrong person.
Did they have?
They got an entire shinobi, bro.
They got only a Shinobi. Where's the other ultras?
The dinner carry popped out as well.
Wait.
Oh,
Okay,
no,
where's
the Wraith
Ultras?
Knight.
Did he-
It's
did-
the
where
Wraith
did he
Knight,
go?
my bad.
Oh, he over here.
I'm wiping, bro.
Oh,
Who's with the? Who's the Shinobi?
It's white.
He's white, yeah.
watch out, watch
It's a
out.
cameo.
Oh.
I'm wiping my Caspian right now.
Oh. Yeah.
And to me.
Hey, the Shinobi back. Yeah,
The Shinobi's back. He must be going after me then. Nigga, y'all gotta watch y'all hits.
Yeah.
back. I'm on.
Oh.
Yeah, he coming
Shinobi's-
after him. Yeah, the Shinobi going after.
Shinobi
Hey,
kind of cracked him.
Back up. We need more back
Come
up.
on,
What?
Need more backup though.
bro, we're literally a whole house full of spreadsheets. But what do you want to do?
Is he a con? The suck part is he's a construct. This is gonna
No,
last
he's
forever.
a construct shinobi, bro.
Yeah. With what? He doesn't have a snap, I guess.
Whoever Kevin is, I'm with y'all.
Hey,
Oh
Speech, come this way. Speeches, come over here.
Where's this way?
Sleeping
Yo,
means.
let's go. Okay. We might get the.
Just drop me and let me join back the fight later. Just drop me.
Yeah, spy gang, bro. Spy gang.
I'm trying to get the shinobi.
Oh
I
my.
mean, not the shinobi.
I'm gonna actually have to play like a legit class now, like a Abyss Walker.
Yeah.
This is sad. Because I get boxed up since I'm playing a support class.
Hey, speechless. Where you at, bro? Did you meet?
Bro, I'm so hyped.
Man,
You
all
putting
I
that
need
man
is
on
I
the
gotta
wall.
help
That-
out.
that-
That's
Oh,
tough.
my.
Yeah, someone record this. Someone record this.
I'm
I'm
getting
recording.
real.
I'm recording.
Yo, I need some proper boost.
Oh,
Let's go.
oh,
Yeah.
that's
Hey,
crazy.
speeches. If you can run, do it.
Yo, I need help us.
I'm dead. Pick me up.
Oh shoot, he's getting
Yeah,
close.
does anybody have any
Give
help
it to me. Give it to me.
Bro, what is going on?
Bro,
He's been
bro,
getting
bro,
Oh,
Yo, does
this
anybody?
pig. I'm about to die. I can't do anything. This pig. Why is it spiking out of all
All
time?
love ping. We all love this thing. We all
Bro.
love it.
Yo,
I
I
feel
hear
like
violence, I'm
a
coming now.
freaking exploiter at this point.
yo, does anybody give me help pots?
Oh,
Yo, I need
I'm
help
coming.
pots.
Dude,
Alright.
we need help. Speechless. I need some help.
I'm putting my
He's
laptop on the charger. You lucky I
Dark
got
is-
the
Meloscum is running away. Meloscum is running
Is the
away.
Dark Sigil running?
Yeah, he's climbing out the mountain.
Nigga, I can't charge my mana right. I'm about to
Yeah,
die.
he's over
Is
here.
the ping bad?
Yeah.
Like
Run
terrible?
away, Rick away.
I can't. He's on my cheeks.
Oh, oh, that's crazy.
Good stuff. Come on.
Yo, my lord joined. Let's go. I'm at them.
He's on my cheeks.
Why is he trying to go for him? Oh, yeah.
He's
He gonna do-
I'll slash me to death. Where's your lord at?
Y'all dead?
Get him.
Man, that's
You
crazy.
gotta shoot some.
Yo,
Who's streakers? Oh,
Uh,
yup, that streaker's not with us.
Don't kill Lady Sylvia light in April.
The streakers are not
Oh
with
my
us.
god, he popped Bane. Alright.
Kanye, get in the water. Just go in the water. Head to sleepy.
Who's the
Someone's
paladin?
getting eaten by streakers. If you can help out, do it.
I'm coming.
Oh yeah, I went down.
It's my ult. Don't worry about it. That's my ult.
Bro, where's your lady at? Oh,
How
I'm gonna
many
need.
people?
I was here
How
for,
many
um,
people are y'all fighting,
to
bro?
help
On my
Right,
knees.
One, it's a
On my
Shinobi.
knees for God.
Bro,
For Ari, bro.
Nobody's mad annoying.
Oh, yo, back up.
Hey
back up.
yo, there's a Shinobi at Orsfall.
Yo,
Shinobi at Orsfall.
What shinobi is it?
I think that's
I had to log.
What's their
I
name?
was scared.
Yo,
one
help me
is
out.
He's climbing from a rope.
Yo, help me.
Weenies and Secret
Dead.
Kai.
I'm dead.
For this time, you want to be a freshie house.
Why? Oh,
There's more?
Bro, Kanye, just run. Bro,
you can't. This nigga's on my cheeks.
bro, get
Yo,
him, bro. Papa
Yo,
Tunde.
there's a trick on me. Yo,
Did I-
Shriekers.
Somebody get it at
Yo,
Orphan.
spy, what are you doing? Yo, I'm
Bro.
getting. Oh, okay, thank God.
Does anyone
Yo, Spy, I need help.
does anyone
Kill the shrieker for me.
does anyone have
His
a helo
shinobi
thing?
was land
Iron
interest.
and Siegfried
Uh-oh.
Iron
Fly. I think they're with
Get
the
him off of me.
Dark Sigil. They're with
Get
the
him off
Dark
me
Sigil.
for a bit. Bro, this shinobi.
Go to Kanye. What are you doing? Where are they at?
I went to sleeping forest. I'm on bridge.
I'll
I'm about to get away.
Okay,
I'm about to get away. Okay, shinobi, stop following me. Everyone, go. Scatter. Ooh.
Log?
Hey,
Like,
Hold on, who's the
they don't
shinobi? Who's the
realize I'm with you.
shinobi?
They
Who's
just
the
think I'm
shinobi?
Which shinobi is it?
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
gonna go
it's
Zarka
okay.
and we're gonna come back.
Right.
Cameo. Wait, is it white? I don't know. I'm out
White
of
is
there.
not a
White,
not
hold
a
on, white,
cameo name.
white isn't a white is not a cameo name. It's a normal
Alright,
name.
good.
Yeah.
I think I hear someone.
Tiny. I got you.
Alright, bet.
Papa Tune log. Papa Tune log.
Yo, I fell from the world.
Somebody got
I-
grip.
I fell from the world.
Just
I fell from the fucking world.
Yo, okay, so my friend is a shinobi, but it's not white. It's Lady Sylvia
Alright.
lied in April. Let's
Ooh,
go.
Hey, yo.
bro.
Is highway land ally?
You need heal?
I need to heal.
I
Oh,
forgot. Never mind. You don't have
come on.
Whoever needed rocks, come to Forest Fire, I guess.
Bro,
I
that's
need rocks. There's people attacking us.
No.
Oh, there's people talking.
No, we're going to Unisol because we need to. I need to like get meat and do shit.
dude.
Yeah.
I don't even know who got out there alive, but that's a whole construct.
I'm here with
Came
Kevin
out like the
and
OG, bro. What
Yo,
you
y'all know we can gank
But
them
there's
now.
somebody climbing up. Up, there go White.
Construct is mad annoying, and the exploiter is still in
Hey,
here
the,
too. That's crazy.
What exploiter?
Hannibal, he's back, or he's been in here.
The Shinobi's over here. White,
Yeah, he's in
back
Norse.
over
He's
here.
in Norse. He's in Norse.
There's a white went to ores.
Yeah.
Okay, I need some ultra scaling. Like, what's going on, bro?
Hell no, bro. I'm about to log.
Watch out.
All I need is.
Don't die! Don't die! Martin, log!
Just run, just
Calm
run.
down.
Just log. You're a freshie. You can't fight him.
Okay, shit.
This is
Alright.
my all.
This
is my
freshie got
all.
black Air Force energy.
Oh my god.
This is
Bro.
my all. I don't care about it.
Okay,
This
no,
is
I'm
what
not-
happens
okay,
when
I'm
you
gonna
fight
go.
a cameo. Well, not a cameo, but this is what happens when you fight a game construct. You know
Okay,
where that
yeah,
can
I'm
run.
I'm gonna go my screw mode. Fuck this.
Yo, speech. You need to get a shinobi soon. Oh God.
You see,
Yeah.
this is why we need fire inside every state that we have. He's a demon.
Let me progress this
I
one.
mean, you do realize most of you got those freshies with swords, like
Hey, yo,
Just
I'm
because
still
it
in
wasn't
an
the whole
ultra,
fresh
but
game.
you know.
Dark Sigil that was going to guarantee was going to smash.